welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing these crystals that dry out flowers, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So it is by this brand right here. It has the instructions on how to do it on the back. I'm going to actually be drying out these flowers. We'll see how it works. We're going to open this up and pour all the crystals into there. Now I'm going to be applying the gloves that they gave me. So it says after that, you're going to cut your flowers, which I already have them cut. And it says you stick this in there like so. I'm going to do the same with this. Just cut it down. Hopefully I can do this kind of like sideways. I'm getting it outside. Okay, and then I'm going to seal it, and then we'll let it sit for a few days. Okay, so when they are this orange color, that means that they are absorbing, and if they are this green color that it shows right here, pretty much you'll have to microwave it until all the moisture goes out and it'll turn back to this color, and then that means it's reusable. So after this turns green, that means it's no longer going to absorb the moisture out of the flowers. So I'll check back in with you and when the flowers look like they're done. Okay, so I've had this for over a week now, sitting out. So let's go ahead and see how they did. Let me go ahead and put on my glove. I don't know what happened to my other glove. I had two gloves, but my kids must have taken one. So they are completely dried out. As you can see, that's what it looks like. That's the rose. So you just want to try to get all those little crystals off. So just like that. Now, some of these flowers did not stay intact as well as others. I'm going to get this one out. These are the white ones. Just look like this. I like putting stuff like this in picture frames personally. It's like my favorite way. And you could even just do like the leaves in a picture frame, just like that. It's going to look really pretty. And the awesome thing is it actually keeps their color, which I like, because a lot of times when you dry out stuff, they don't keep their color. So I'm going to use all these little pieces because I like to put them in like picture frames, like I said. And these are from a funeral, so they actually have sentimental values. So that's why I want to do it. Here's this one right here. I think that's all other than like the leaves and stuff that fell off. So all these are nice and dried. And if you use like bigger, more like hardy flowers, it's going to work a lot better. These were kind of thin, but it's all I had at hand, and they were sentimental, so I did want to preserve them anyway. But that's what they look like. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.